Welcome back to Fusion Auto Review. Today we're diving into a true masterpiece of automotive design, the 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe. This elegant vehicle combines timeless style with cutting-edge technology, offering a driving experience like no other. Let's take a closer look. Starting with its design, the DS21 Coupe captivates. At first glance, its aerodynamic silhouette is a nod to the iconic DS lineage with smooth lines and a distinctive front end featuring sleek LED headlights. The coupe profile enhances its sporty stance, while the elegant rear showcase is integrated taillights that are not only visually striking but also enhance safety and visibility at night, giving it a modern twist. Interior design. Step inside and you're greeted with a luxurious cabin. Premium materials such as leather and polished wood create a sophisticated atmosphere. The driver-centric layout features a digital dashboard that seamlessly integrates with advanced infotainment systems, ensuring that you stay connected while on the road. Performance. Under the hood, the DS21 Coupe is powered by a robust 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering a thrilling 250 horsepower. This power plant is paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifts and responsive acceleration. One of the standout features is its adaptive air suspension system. This technology not only enhances comfort by smoothing out rough roads, but also improves handling and stability in dynamic driving situations. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding back roads, the DS21 Coupe offers an unparalleled driving experience. Safety and technology are where the DS21 Coupe truly shines, equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. This car is designed to keep you safe on the road. And let's not forget about its eco-friendly credentials. The DS21 Coupe offers a hybrid variant combining electric and petrol power to reduce emissions without compromising on performance. It's a perfect choice for the environmentally conscious driver. The 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe is not just a car, it's an experience. With its stunning design, impressive performance, and cutting-edge technology, it stands out in a crowded market. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone who appreciates luxury, the DS21 Coupe is sure to leave a lasting impression. Thanks for joining us on this review of the 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this. Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring.